Amazing. It's beautiful to see this beautiful, vibrant glow on your face, and it really shows that you love what you do and that you're enjoying the process as well. So, today we're talking about the power of words and how it kind of relates to our theme, which is collaboration, right? So, how do the words we choose or use every day, like in conversations, like right now, how does these words affect our collaboration with others?
In terms of words, when we are talking about the words, the first thing we have to understand is what the role of our tongue. So they say if anything that really that comes out of your mouth cannot be brought back. So as Muslims, when we try to talk about the power of words or the power of our impact, the first thing we have to remember is whatever we are talking, we should be thoughtful, we should be conscious and aware. Without being aware, without just thinking, and suddenly something shouldn't come out of our mouth. Yeah, and also we are accountable for these words. On the day of judgment, like we will be questioned about the words, and we will be like punished, or we get rewards based on the words. So it's important that we always speak from a conscious awareness. And the question where how does the conversations influence our relationships and the collaborations? First of all, if we are somebody of value, like if we are somebody who holds on to these values, people trust us. So, in terms of a Muslim concept, the trustworthiness is amana in terms of our language. So, Islamic teachings emphasize that whatever we do in our life, we should be upholding this value of trustworthiness. The other important factor that we have to consider is the etiquette. Basically, we should have that good, what would we say, the etiquette of not speaking when we are angry, not saying something, like not to interfere when somebody is talking, because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is a hadith says, a good word is a charity. So if we say anything, like something, anything good to somebody, always take that as something, a charity. So it's really important that we use these words as a collaborative tool, like as professional speakers celebration day today, that theme is, this year's theme is collaborative evolution. So like basically we are evolving, we are getting better, we are up, like the whole community is getting better, getting served better, because we have this trustworthiness, because we use these etiquettes. And always the other important element that we have to understand is about backbiting. Now, in terms of how this collaboration happens, usually if there is two people gathered together, always there is the shaitan or the our Haman in the middle of these two people. So that means the backbiting is very often the result of Haman's presence there. That means we have to be very much again consciously aware what we are talking. So that's why through that awareness we can build that brotherhood, that Muslims or even in the world non-Muslims, everybody tries to be connected. We try to collaborate, we try to go along with other people. So these beautiful values come because we are able to use these words. And one final point I would like to add into this one is about the conflict resolution. Again, collaboration happens because we are able to solve the challenges that we go through. Because if we are not able to resolve the conflicts that we go through as human beings, now that I mentioned that Haman is present in each and every gathering, we have to identify that he tries to create this division. So it's always important that we resolve our conflicts. And then if we relate back to the points I talked earlier about the trustworthiness, the etiquette, yes, we can resolve these conflicts and we can have the power of these words for a positive change.